Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Cheetos duster. So this is a rechargeable grinder that we're gonna put some crunchy Cheetos in. Now you do charge it with micro USB down here on the bottom. Right there's where you're gonna charge it. It is cordless. Now it does come with a cable. I do recommend using the cable because it's kind of longer to get in that kind of area right there. Then you're gonna simply unscrew this, put your Cheetos in here. We're gonna chop them up, and then this is like a salt and pepper shaker. You're gonna put this on afterwards, and it's got like this. You can just sprinkle it on whatever you want. So let's try it with crunchy. Fill it up. You don't want to go past the max line. Right there. Screw this on all the way or it will not work. All right, so now it's gonna work. I wanna hold it at a 45-degree angle and I wanna shake it while it's working. I think it works better if I shake it like this. All right, as soon as I let go of the button. All right. Let's take this off. Now I should be able to just take this and see how it did. It smells good. Now we should be able to sprinkle this on whatever we want. Okay, let's see how it actually does work. I mean, you don't get a lot of Cheetos, but it actually does work. Huh. Now you don't get a whole lot of that stuff, and some of it does stick to the side, but let's try it with some puffs. Earlier I did this, and look. The puffs didn't work the best, but definitely the crunchies did work. Maybe we got to break the puffs up a little bit or something. Maybe that'll help. Let's just try that a bit. Again, turn it on. I got to press and hold the button. Yeah, it does seem to be struggling a little bit with the puffs. Let's see what's going on. I mean, it did okay, I guess. And I think you end up with about the same. You know, at the end of the day, it looks like they're about the same. But I would definitely do the crunchy ones. Cleanup is going to be tricky. You're not supposed to submerge this in water. So you're just going to have to kind of rinse that off with a brush, you know, and not get it too wet around in this area. Make sure that O-ring is down there when you use it. Now this, I can rinse that out really good. Same with the cap. And so when I first grinded those crunchy ones, I bet it went down to about here. I bet I could add some more crunchy ones and then grind it up some more to where you'd have a whole bunch of this stuff. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.